Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. That should be like this. Next, I can put this one into like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative e to the power of negative s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, we have number 1 from here. So we put number 1 go here and here to find the value of u. So u equals to 1 plus e to the power of negative number 1. When s equals to number 2 from here. So I will put this one go here and here. And now we have like this. So number 1 we change by this one. Number 2 we change by this one. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. And now we have the final answer. Then we need to put the bounds from this one to this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.